feeling drained. Your body's asking for the right fuel, packed with natural sugars and potassium. It's a scientifically proven energy source. It doesn't just fuel your body, it fires up your mind for laser-sharp focus. Unleash your peak performance. Nature's perfect energy boost is here.
You know, we all think we know the banana. It's probably the most popular fruit on the planet. It's sweet, super convenient, and nature even gave it its own packaging. But what if I told you that inside this everyday fruit, you can find the secrets to ancient medicine and even a model for artificial intelligence? Today, we are peeling back the layers on the surprising science of the banana.
So, let me ask you this. What one fruit is a source of energy, a component in medicine, and a model for AI? Well, you probably guessed it. The answer, believe it or not, is the banana. And over the next few minutes, we're going to see exactly how. To really get it, though, we have to look beyond just the fruit we eat. The entire plant, from the leaves all the way down to the roots, has a story to tell. Every single part has a purpose, a history, and as we're about to see, a pretty surprising future. Okay, so first things first. Let's start on familiar ground, the banana as a superfruit. We're going to look at the powerful health benefits that make it a staple in pretty much every fruit bowl around the globe.
Yeah, it's so much more than just a quick, sweet snack. A banana is a total nutritional powerhouse, absolutely loaded with vitamins and minerals that are crucial for keeping our bodies and our minds in top shape. But, just how powerful are we really talking here?
Well, how about this? 23%. That's how much of your daily recommended potassium you get in just a single banana. And this isn't just about preventing a muscle cramp after a run. That much potassium is vital for regulating your blood pressure and supporting your overall heart health.
And get this, it doesn't even stop there. One banana also has 41% of your daily vitamin B6. That is a massive amount of a nutrient that's crucial for brain health, immune function, and your metabolism. I mean, that's an incredible contribution from such a simple fruit. And there's a reason people sometimes call it the feel-good fruit. Bananas have this amino acid called tryptophan. Your body takes that tryptophan and turns it into serotonin, which you've probably heard of as the feel-good hormone. This whole process can actually help improve your mood, cut down on stress, and just generally make you feel a bit happier. All right, so we've covered the basics, but now we're going to get into the really wild stuff. For centuries, traditional medicine has looked at the banana plant as a complete medicine cabinet. And trust me, this goes way, way beyond just the peel. I mean, just look at this. The versatility is just astounding. In traditional medicine, every single part of the banana plant was used. The flowers were used for bronchitis, the sap for epilepsy, the leaves for burns, even the ashes of the peel were used to treat dysentery. It was like a whole pharmacy growing in one plant.
And look, this isn't just some old folk remedy, right? Modern science is actually starting to catch up. Research confirms that, yes, antifungal and antibiotic principles are found in the peel and pulp of fully ripe bananas. So what that means is the fruit itself has compounds that could fight off certain types of fungi and bacteria. It's like nature's own built-in defense system.
Okay, and this might just be the most incredible discovery of all. The peel, the part we all just throw away, it contains norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin. These are the exact same powerful neurotransmitters that regulate mood and stress inside our brains, and they can affect things like blood pressure and digestion throughout our bodies. Wild. So, okay, the banana plant is more than a medicine cabinet. It's also kind of like a multi-purpose toolkit. Its practical uses go way beyond the kitchen and into some areas you would just never expect. Just think about some of these hidden talents. The inside of the peel? Yeah, that can soothe a mosquito bite. Mashed up bananas can act as a totally natural hair conditioner. The tannins in the peel can even be used to tan leather. And for all you athletes out there, research shows that just 2 bananas provide enough fuel for a tough 90-minute workout. So, from nutrition to medicine to these crazy life hacks, the banana's already pretty impressive, right? Well, its final secret is the one that takes us right out of the natural world and smack into the digital age. This is the story of the high-tech harvest, how we get from a fruit to artificial intelligence. The key piece of tech here is something called a knowledge-based system. So what is that? Well, to put it simply, it's a type of AI that's designed to copy the decision-making of a human expert, but in a really specific field. The whole goal is to capture a specialist knowledge and then make it available to everyone instantly. And in this case, that specific area of expertise was banana farming. Researchers basically set out to take everything that agricultural experts know and translate it directly into computer code. They wanted to create an AI that could help farmers protect their crops. So how'd they do it? Well, the process really boiled down to 3 key steps. First, they had to capture the experts' knowledge using a bunch of if-then rules. Like, if the leaves have yellow streaks, then the plant might have this particular disease. Second, they built a really simple interface so farmers could just type in what they were seeing. And finally, the AI analyzes all that info and gives a diagnosis and a treatment plan, basically acting like a digital farming consultant.
So, did it actually work? Oh yeah, it worked. The research paper concluded that the system produced good results, and get this, it was able to figure out the correct diagnosis in all cases that it was tested on. This is just an amazing example of how AI can be used to support agriculture and empower farmers all over the world. So when you think about it, we went from a simple fruit to a source of medicine, and all the way to a model for artificial intelligence. The banana is so much more complex and wonderful than we ever give it credit for. And that really leaves us with one final thought. If a single, ordinary banana contains this much complexity, what other everyday wonders are we overlooking?